Hey, so in this video, we're going to talk about assembly. So we're going to write a program in assembly that's going to print this is infinite exploit. So the way that we're going to do this is we're going to go ahead and break down the code line by line. So assembly uses the .asm extension. So we're going to go ahead and do nano to open up our text editor, and we'll name it output.asm. Now we'll go ahead and type section.data. So this is where we store data, like the text that we want to show. So as you follow here, I have message db. This is infinite exploit in quotations, single quotes, comma 0AH. So let me tell you what that means. So message is the name of our text. db means define byte. So we're putting some text into memory. And in the quotations there, this is infinite exploit. That is the text. And the 0AH is a new line character. It's like pressing enter. So we made a message. This is infinite exploit. Now, let's go ahead and type in section.text. So this is where the actual code, this is the instructions here. This is where this goes. So we'll do global underscore start. This tells the system where our program starts. Then we'll do underscore start colon. So this is the starting part of our program here. And we're going to go ahead and start writing out what is called mnemonics. We're going to use move. So MOB, EDX, comma 13. And basically what this means is EDX equals 13. So 13 is the number of characters to print. So it's 13 bytes, which as you can see, it looks like we may have more characters than that. And I'll give you a demonstration here in a minute. Now we'll write move, MOV, ECX, comma, message. And this is basically saying ECX equals the address of the message. So this tells the system where the message is stored. Next, we'll do MOV, EAX, comma 4. And this says EAX equals 4. So it says, hey, Linux, I want to write something. Then we'll do INT, 80H. So this is how we call it to do stuff. It's like saying, hey, print a message. So when we're exiting the program, what we're going to do is we're going to do MOV, EBX, comma 0. So that sets exit code to 0. So that means everything went fine. And we'll do move, MOV, EAX, comma 1. That says EAX equals 1. So you're pretty much getting the system here. It says I want to exit the program. And then we'll do INT, A0H. So that's going to actually tell it to end the program there. So once we got that code in that output.asm file, we can go ahead and save it. And then we can assemble it with NASM. So NASM, NASM. So the way we'll put this is we'll go NASM, NASM, dash F, ELF. So like an elf like Santa Claus, output.asm. And this one is going to create an output.o file, and that's an object file. And we can link it with LD. So the way we'll do that is we'll do LD-M F underscore I38, well, I386 output.o dash O, which is going to specify the name that we want to have the output file, the executable, and we'll call it output. So this is actually going to create that program. So to run the program, we'll do ./output, and as you can see, it's going to print our text. But as you can remember, we only had a certain number of bytes specified. So what will we have to do here? Yes, we'll have to go in and edit the bytes so that way we can have more memory allocated. So that way it can fit all the characters there. So I'll go ahead and edit this, and then we'll recompile it, and then we'll link it, and then we'll run it once more. And as you can see, it will print the entire text there. So we'll look at some more assembly, on down the road, but it's just a quick, brief introduction. Thanks for watching.